What's up guys, and welcome back again to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can set the orientation to the landscape one, all right? Okay, while the portrait orientation right from the control center is on, all right? Now if I rotate my mobile phone like this, okay, now it doesn't get to the the landscape orientation. Why is that? Of course, because from the control center the portrait orientation is on. If I turn it off, all right, this is the solution for this. Okay, so as you can see, but I'm going to show you another way, all right? Even if it is on from here, the portrait orientation, okay, and then you will still be able to have the landscape orientation. Now for this one, okay, we need to go to the shortcuts, all right, and then automation. Now new automation, scroll down till you have app, right? And then choose the app. Now I'm going to go with the YouTube. Okay, yeah, choose that one. Done. Right now tap on this one as well. Both of them are tapped, all right, and then run immediately, all right, and then next. After that, okay, go to the set orientation lock, all right, and done. So let's see. Now from the control center, the portrait orientation is on, all right. Let's go back to the video. Okay, now I'm watching the video, right? Then I am rotating, right, the mobile phone, and this is how it turns to the landscape orientation without going back to the control center and turning off the portrait orientation. All right, see you next time. Thanks for watching.